Hey everyone, Ben here with another great update to your full scope tools. Today we are rolling out an integration for Pinterest. That's right, you can now connect Pinterest to our social planner and post and schedule posts and use all of our great social media management tools with the Pinterest platform. If you already have some social media accounts set up and you've already been at work using our tools, if you want to add a new account of any kind, including the Pinterest account, then just head over to the little settings icon right next to the new post button. Click that, and you'll see right in here, you can come down to Pinterest at the bottom and connect your Pinterest account and get started. So we've got full access now to your Pinterest account. This is a really exciting update. I know a lot of you have been waiting on it, so it's finally here. If you have any questions about setting up and using Pinterest with the social planner, reach out to our support team, and I will see you in the next update video.